we are at Ceylon Tea Trails Dunkeld Bungalow, and we will have a cooking experience here with Chef Samantha. And what is your name, sir?
Suru.
Sur.
Isuru.
Isuru. Very nice to meet you. And so, what are we making today?
We're making dal curry.
Curry?
Dal curry and
Dal curry.
Coconut, great coconut sambal,
Uh-huh.
and prawns curry, and stuffed aubergine, brinjal moju.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And those are the ingredients: onion, curry leaves, chili flakes, mustard, jaggery, ginger, tomato sauce, turmeric powder, cumin seed, pepper, chili powder, cardamom, it's like a gamboj,
Uh-huh.
chili, tomato, cloves, lime, and curry powder and salt.
What is this one you said?
Cloves.
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 Ah, I see. Wow, a lot of ingredients. Awesome. Looking forward to it. And then you have
Coconut milk.
coconut milk.
Coconut milk and vinaigrette and vegetable oil.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. All right. How do we get started?
Yes.
Oh, this. So it's a good time to do this because right now, it's not the best weather. It was raining all afternoon. Hello? This is overlooking the Castlereagh Reservoir. And so, yeah. Okay. Yes. Oh, thank you.
Oh,
All right. You want to try it on?
yeah, you.
Ceylon Tea Trails. So this is in the hill country of Sri Lanka. Where it's one of the centers of tea production and growing. Ah, now you look like a real chef. Okay. So you, あんた回っていくんじゃないの? So what, does she come around or it's here's okay?
It's okay.
It's,
You like cooking, madam?
you want to, yeah, why don't you try it?
Just like
Muri?
like
Okay,
so after that, I just want to
okay.
you can help.
Okay. First of dal curry.
Okay. All right, come around here. This. Hmm?
You want
Yeah, あんたが出なければいいよ。Okay.
That's it.
So you're gonna make first start
So dal curry.
dal curry.
So come.
Okay.
Stop heat the pan. Wash dal.
Dal.
Yes.
Okay.
Daily one. First of oil.
Okay, oil. Okay. Start with that.
Yes. Come on, mustard seed.
Okay.
Okay. You try one? Come on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes. You want?
Oh,
No?
no,
Okay,
I'm gonna
right.
from here.
mustard,
Mustard seed.
mustard seed.
Okay.
You like spicy, not spicy, not less,
Less spicy.
less spicy. Okay. Cumin seed,
Cumin seed. Okay.
onion, garlic, curry leaves,
What are those?
curry leaves,
Carlio. What leaves?
curry leaves, curry leaves.
Car leaves.
Sri Lankan herbal leaves like that.
Okay.
Try one.
Okay. Come on.
Next one add turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder. Okay.
I give recipe last one time. All
Okay.
food. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Curry powder.
Curry powder.
Yes. And like a coriander seed, cumin seed, and cloves, cardamom, curry leaves, and roasted curry leaves, and more mix.
Mm-hmm.
Curry powder. Salt.
Salt.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Without chili or a little bit? No? No chili. Chili?
Just
Little bit. Okay.
We need some for flavor.
Flavor, yeah.
Yeah.
Chili powder. Add dal.
Bean. It's kind of bean.
Dal.
Is it a bean?
lentil? Lentil.
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 So it is sort of like a bean.
Lentil. But boiling time is like 5-6 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So boil.
Oh, that's how you make the dal.
Just dal.
And it turns orange like that?
Orange.
It becomes that color. huh?
Lentil, red lentil.
Uh-huh. Oh, it is. It's
Red-
naturally like
Yeah,
that.
red
Oh.
lentil, yes. Add water.
Okay.
Yes. It's boiling time.
Yep.
Then 5-6 minutes boiling time.
Okay. Raining again? So Ceylon Tea Trails has 5 properties in this hill country area near Hatton, mostly clustered around the Castlereagh Reservoir, which it's hard to see right now because of the fogginess, but it's down there. And this is what's called the Dunkeld Bungalow, which is near where the factory is, actually, where they process the leaves to make the tea. And there's tea farms all around. So during the day, when it's not raining, you'll see a lot of people, ladies going out to pick the leaves. There's 5 rooms here, 4 in this main building area. We are over there behind this massive tree, just behind it to the right, called the owner's cottage. So yeah, it's really nice and pretty. This is the public space. Oh, that smells nice. You smell it? So while we wait, it's a couple more minutes, right? Okay. So we can take a look over here. So this is the indoor dining area for big groups. Hello, Ayubowan. And then, so this is the public space. And this is Nilanta. Hello, our butler. So if you come down, turn right, this is the public space. The lounge area, library lounge. And then the lights are off, or sort of on. Anyways, this is the recreation room with the billiard table. And anyway, so down the hall are where the 4 rooms in this main building are. As I said, the owner's cottage is the standalone unit that is detached from the rest. And in any case, so we're back to the main dining area. This is, I guess, for communal dining as well as for people who just want to be inside. And so that is the tour of the property, sort of.
Last moment,
Now, the
milk.
coconut milk. Okay. So Samantha, how long have you been here?
Here?
Yes,
the 10 years.
at Tea Trails?
Castlereagh.
And how are you responsible for Dunkeld, or
No.
you move around?
1 year, turn.
You rotate.
Okay, yeah.
Ah, I see. But we're lucky that you're here right now. Oh, awesome. So is this the typical way that they make this here?
Yes, typical, yes.
Uh-huh.
But normally use like bread and morning breakfast.
Uh-huh.
Is bread and butter.
Uh-huh. For Sri Lankan
Sri
style
Lankan
breakfast.
breakfast.
Okay.
Most Sri Lankan people use breakfast.
Peppers?
Yeah, breakfast.
Oh, breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's their big meal, huh?
Yeah.
Well, that's healthy. Yeah, on the BBC documentary, I noticed one of the guests for breakfast they had this. Yeah.
Smell like roti
Uh-huh.
and bread roll
Uh-huh.
and bread. Like juice.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a little bit bored of eggs and pastry, so maybe tomorrow morning I'm gonna go local.
Local. Like the hoppers.
Yeah, all of that.
Just like a finish, no?
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. So what is this dish called again?
Yeah, dal curry.
Dal
Curry.
curry.
Dal curry.
Dal curry. Thank you very much.
Thank you.